Alright, we're back again with another video. This is still a functional faucet. Only thing is, there's a little, I could just tighten that down if I wanted to. It'd probably be fine. This one's completely fine. But, Mama wants to upgrade, so we're gonna put this on here. This is a Wetherly 87999BRB. It's a Moen, made by Moen. So we're gonna put it on. We probably need a bristle to clean off underneath there. It also says that you'll probably need like a screwdriver or a crescent wrench. So we'll have a screwdriver handy and we'll have a crescent wrench. This is gonna undo the lines, water lines. And let's get to it. So we'll start by removing everything under here. So we remove what we needed. We're gonna go under here and we're gonna tighten these water lines. We're gonna turn them off. So we just wanna tighten these water lines. So what we're gonna do is go up underneath. First, we're gonna loosen these. We're gonna loosen these with the crescent wrench, this line and that line. And then you come on here and you spin this off. Same thing what we're doing here, you'll do the same thing. After you take these lines off, you'll do the same thing with these. These spin off as well. 1, 2. So again, 2 lines. Take the lines off with your crescent wrench. Then you'll take this one off. Then you'll take these 2 off. They spin off. All right. First, take your water lines off. Comes with this attachment. Push it, take it off. So it started getting loud in the house, so I went ahead and just started voicing it in. Anyway, I used a white paper towel, and then I used a bristle pad, like a Scotch-Brite, and then just cleaned it up, dried it off with a paper towel. Best I could, get it as clean as I possibly could get it. So you don't want to use any detergent on here. Just try to just use water and a bristle pad. Here's the sprayer cap. So the part I'm taking off goes underneath and just reattach it. So we'll put that on first. This is your base. It's got this little thin ring. It goes on top. And then your faucet head with the new water lines and the sprayer attachment, all that goes through the base. So you're just going to push it all through the base. Real simple. And then we're going to go ahead and work on the base. It comes with this little plastic mat on the bottom. It's got a little peg and hole. So you just mash it in place. Just like that if you need a closer look. So we're going to go ahead and mount this on here. I'm just actually just putting it in place, routing the new water lines down through with the faucet head. And it just sits up there by itself, even though it's not even tied down. Here's your washer and your ring. It's got these 3 little screws. Don't put them in all the way, just kind of have them halfway like that, or a quarter way. So you're going to route this big washer all the way up. And then you're going to tighten those down. So you're going to tighten that threaded ring. It's got an opening on the back side, as you saw earlier, to route around these lines. And then once you get it tight, we'll go ahead and tighten these screws down with the long Phillips. It's good to have a long Phillips for this job, Phillips screwdriver. So you're going to want to tighten that real good and snug. And then we'll route the sprayer hose down. And then we'll go up underneath and we'll just plug it in. You'll just plug it in here. And then you'll push it up until you hear a click. You'll hear a clicking sound. You'll know it's done. We'll go ahead and turn our water lines back on, and we'll test the faucet out. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bead of silicone, clear silicone, around the faucet and the sprayer. That's all you need to do. I just made a clean little bead just to make sure there's no water getting underneath there. And everyone knows you get a little bit of water up there, so it's good to protect it. So works fine. We'll try the sprayer. Good pressure. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, guys. See you on the next one.